Hi. I am JORC. I am here to tell you how to service your NUFORS-XF. First, you isolate the drain from the pressurized air system. Press and hold the test to completely empty the drain's reservoir, making sure the drain is safe and depressurized. Use the 6 mm Allen key to unscrew the bolts. The drain can now be opened to be serviced. Unscrew the test button using a 14 mm wrench. Unscrew the valve top nut. Remove the O-ring and the operator assembly. Remove the housing gasket. Use a 13 mm wrench to unscrew the valve shaft and take out the valve plunger. Unscrew the valve plug using a 10 mm Allen key and remove the plunger and spring. Clean the housing, operator assembly, test button and all valve parts thoroughly. Make sure no debris is left. Lubricate the plunger. Place the plunger and the spring. Screw in the valve plug using a 10 mm Allen key. Place the test button using a 14 mm wrench. Place the valve plunger. Use a 13 mm wrench to tighten the valve shaft. Place the operator assembly. Make sure to push it all the way down. Place the O-ring and screw on the top nut. Lubricate, and place the housing gasket. Place the top part. Make sure the housing gasket is in place. Tighten the bolts using a 6 mm Allen key. Slowly pressurize the system by opening the ball valve. The NUFORS-XF is now ready to perform again.